SyncWire USB-C hub 8-in-1 massive expansion pass. 4K UHD multi-monitor display. The HDMI port mirrors or extends your screen in a variety of resolutions up to 4K at 30Hz 3840x2160, Full HD 1080p or 3D video. SyncWire Type-C hub brings you vivid 3D effect video sync. Perfect to stream a full HD movie on your HD TV, extend a 3D video game on your monitors or show your PPT through the projectors for office meetings. Super speed data transfer. 2 USB 3.0 ports and USB-C data transfer ports support data transfer rates up to 5 gigabits per second through the hub. Ensures flawless data delivery between your computer and connected devices, for seamless operation and enhanced productivity. Multifunctional and security and portable triple display USB 3.0 docking station equipped with USB-C OTG converter, perfectly combined the function of USB-C hub and docking station. Efficient expand, vivid triple display USB hub, extends or mirror your screen with the HDMI/VGA port and directly stream full HD 1080p video to 3 monitors, projectors or HD TV, and 3.5mm headphone and microphone jacks, brings the vivid 3D effect video and clear audio sync. Used for many occasions: home theater, office meetings, education, speech, entertainment, games, etc. Rule all-in-one USB-C hub. The intelligent USB-C adapter has perfectly combined all the functions you need. USB-C to HDMI hub equipped with USB 3.0x2, 4K at 30 HDMI, SD/TF card adapter, and up to 100 watts/20 volts/5A Type-C power delivery charging port. 4K HDMI to USB-C hub. The USB-C hub provides you with lifelike 4K 3840 by 2160 at 30 Hz HDMI images that bring an immersive 3D resolution experience. 100 watts power delivery supported. The USB-C hub supports a 100 watts USB-C 9-in-1 USB-C hub, compatible MacBook Pro USB adapter. Work for the latest MacBook Pro or USB-C devices with the multi-port USB-C hub featuring a gigabit Ethernet, a USB-C charging port, a 4K at 30 Hz HDMI port, a SD/TF card reader, 3.5mm audio jack and a VGA port and 2 USB 3.0 ports, allowing you to connect a keyboard, mouse, USB driver, external disk to MacBook Pro.
Thunderbolt 3 to HDMI dock. Extend your MacBook to HDMI-enabled TV in max 4K UHD 3840x2160 at 30 Hz or VGA display in up to 1080p at 60 Hz Full HD. When the